good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all can see today I'm on the move, man. Another little light video. Like I said, man, it ain't been slow motion really. It been really slow motion or whatever. I'm planning on picking the Camaro up today, depending on UPS, man. Depending on UPS. Like I said, when I ordered stuff for wifey car, man, it came early, and I'm like, that's crazy. I didn't even really need that stuff, like a big rush on it. But when it's something that's holding up a whole process, man, like it always come in the evening, man. So the fittings come today, and before coming time enough to get them over there before Jesse close, Lawless. Then you know I get it back today. But if it don't, obviously gonna push it back one more day. But either way, I get it back this week. But I was sitting around waiting. I would call myself like I was gonna wait until the fittings come and then just take everything together, cause I had to order a caliper too, cause I told you I'm gonna go ahead and change that caliper. It's just ugly. But I'm thinking about the caliper already at AutoZone, so I can just go ahead and get that by there. They can at least be done did that, cause that's the biggest part, biggest job. So I got the wheel loaded back up. Got some antifreeze, cause I think they just put straight water, so we need to get some antifreeze, man. Been starting to get cool at night. Brake fluid when they change the caliper and all of that. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go by AutoZone. Go ahead and get that caliper, drop it off. They'll go ahead and get that knocked out today. Then we'll just be waiting on that little piece, which they can just put that on from the top. And I'll be ready to take it home, man. I'll literally be ready to take it home. It's a wrap, it's done. At least for now. And I got a few more things I want to do, but I don't want the car down. It's been down for 8 months already, so I probably won't start on nothing else until the top of next year, man. Just cause I need to enjoy my car. I need to enjoy my car some. So that's it. Gonna go by AutoZone, put some petrol in the Denali, cause I definitely got to do that. And we're gonna get over by Lawless, so y'all stay tuned. This is what I was waiting on. This stuff right here. This stuff right here, what I was waiting on, man. UPS came a little on time. I guess they got here before they closed, so. And I ain't need that sick, but I like better safe than sorry. We running in some for some reason. I have to change something. I'm like, man, I already got them. But it's a dash 4. I got these fittings, and cause originally I had one of these on the turbo house, and we took it off and just put a straight fitting dash 4 fitting in there. But just in case they want to change back to that, I went ahead and got it, so I don't have to wait on nothing else. And then you got to have this fitting to go in there, a NPT. So I got that. Got this to go in here, NPT 8" to the dash 4. But this what we supposedly this should be all we need right here. Let me see. What is it? I think this is 90 degrees. This one right here. Supposedly this all we need. The dash 4 90 degree. That's gonna get the line off of the radiator. So I'm gonna get this in here. I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in. I go to Camaro, man. I had to get this caliper right here. I got it over there, but y'all see where it's shaved. If you remember, I did an episode a while back. I had those Jegs wheels, and I was trying to get those Jeg wheels to fit. And man, boy, had to shave a whole lot. Caliper got holes in it. Got a hole right here and a hole down there somewhere. It got 2 holes in it. So I like, man, I gotta go ahead and get this chain. So we're gonna get that done right here. The other side straight, it already been done. Show y'all. This side right here already been shaved. He ain't have to take that much off of it. So this one already been done. It cleared for the wheel. Gotta put the other one on, get it cleared for the wheel. Then like my reverse, the reason the reverse ain't working, the tram brake been changed. I have to show y'all. I'll tell y'all about it on the outside, but it should be straight too. It's a simple fit, ain't nothing wrong. So that's it, man. We just got the caliper, and they have to put their fitting on there, and that's it. I bought some antifreeze, cause you know it's straight water in here. It done start getting cold, so, and some oil from where the oil leaked out the line. So yep, that's it. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, back at the house. I don't know if y'all can hear that rain. Raindrops, got a cloud right on top of me. We're gonna do something, but oh look, there it come. Them big drops. Let me go in here. We got to go in the garage. I was gonna go out there and tinkle with the cars or something, but I was like, that ain't happening. Not these big drops that came now. It ain't supposed to rain today, I don't think. But I'm back from Lawless. I ain't getting the car today, tomorrow. Looking like tomorrow. And it ain't their fault. I keep adding stuff on, man. I told Jess, I said, look, man, I know you ready. I know. Oh, hold on. I'm going to order me a gorilla part as soon as I get finished. Seriously, I'm going upstairs, order me a gorilla part. Cause I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and order. I've been slacking on my camera equipment. I'm gonna order 2 gorilla part. I might buy a GoPro, a new GoPro too, cause I ain't bought none in a long time. But I was telling Jess, I said, man, I know y'all ready for this car to go, man. Cause I keep adding stuff, boy. I like, hey Jesse, hey, y'all can do this. I said, every time, man, every time. But like I said, I pay them and stuff and all that. I don't look for people to be work for free or this and that. You know, you look out for me, I look out for you. Same thing. I like to show love to my people who do amazing work. They do good work. They get down. It is what it is. You know, have your tips ready. And you go over there. They do some top level work. They ain't dealing with no just anything, you know. They ain't dealing with no low dollar cars. I mean, I don't want to say it like that. They work on anything, but you know, it top level work. What I'm saying, you know, good people too, man. It's that Lawless. That's why I said y'all go over there, Lawless, hit them up, all that. But yeah, I'm back trying to decide what I'm gonna do. I got all this. Let me brighten it up, man. I got to clean this up. I got all this. Every day I have to walk by this stuff and look at it, man. Just all this expensive small block stuff just sitting right there every day. And I still got to get this by the shop, man. I was going to go today, but now I see these big raindrops finna come through there. That's over with. So I might take that tomorrow. There's thermostat stuff in the starter. I might take that tomorrow, but I have to look at all this. I still ain't figured out what I'm going to do with this. Man, I got 2 engines, man. I literally got 2 engines. I really got 3. I got 2 small blocks. And this right here too. Motor transmission I did call. I'm finna buy wife something new. I'm gonna get her something new, man. The Nolly run like a sewing machine. What it is? Kid, little chalk out here. It run like a sewing machine, but I'm gonna get wife something new. And then it's a lot of miles on it. That's the main reason. Like, it ain't that it's mechanically bad. It's just a lot of miles on it. I mean, it keep going. I mean, don't leak. Changed the rear main seal a while back. Run good, but I was like, man, I don't even want to sell this to nobody. Just cause it got a lot of miles on the engine and on the body itself. I just don't want to sell it to nobody. Cost of the mileage, even though it run great like a sewing machine. So I'm gonna buy her something new. Take the motor transmission out, put it up, and it'll be for something. It's a 6.0 4L80 with a transfer case. So I don't know. Like I said, then we're just gonna part it out, cause ain't nobody gonna buy no Denali shell. I already know that people don't buy these type of shells, so ain't nobody gonna buy no Denali shell. So like I said, pull the motor and transmission, then I'm gonna have another one. So really, I got 3 motors. I got this 6.0. I got this 60 over 350. I got a Virgin block 350. Late model block, 1P rear main seal, and then I got a 700 R4 transmission. Y'all know it's still at Showtime. It might be about ready. I ain't even hit DJ up to see what's going on. It might be ready or whatever. He probably, cause DJ look at these videos, he probably like, Jay ain't don't need it, so ain't no need to call him. But I got a manual valve body, 700 R4. I got stud everywhere, enough stud to just put something together, man. And, you know, I'm just gonna put it up. So really no action on this vlog or nothing like that, but we got it cooking, man. Soon, promise y'all, soon it's gonna be non-stop action. When I get the Camaro back, it's gonna be all the way on, cause I'm about to kick the ride reactions back. So look, hey, check this out. This is what I want to tell y'all. Check this out. For one, before I forget, the last car meet is gonna be November the 22nd. Check me on that date now. I think I said the right date. If that's Sunday, then that's when it's gonna be. It's the last Sunday in November, I think. But November the 22nd, then my last car meet. Same location. It's in Monroe, Georgia. I think the address is 655 East Spring Street. But if that's not it, just look up Popeyes in Monroe, Georgia. Popeyes in Monroe, Georgia. Look up their address. That's the address that's on the flyer, cause the parking lot is right behind that Popeyes. Literally behind it, but you can't miss it. So Popeyes, Monroe, Georgia. Put in that address, Monroe. Cause people, I know I got that country slang, man. Monroe, M-O-N-R-O-E. Monroe, Georgia. Last car meet, November 22nd, man. It's gonna be a good little bit of people coming, cause some people couldn't make the first one, so it's going down. Now, listen, if any of y'all located in Georgia, the gorilla part, located in Georgia, man, you want to ride in John Jones, or if you're not in Georgia, I'm planning on setting a date. To where I meet everybody somewhere. I'm gonna take people on rides. Now, it's gonna take time, cause I gotta let the car cool off. Now, last time I hot lapped and did a lot of ride racing, I murdered the transmission. Cause it was like making laps at the track, man. I murdered it, man. Trans brakes, a lot of heat in the transmission, basically. So, if you want to do that, or I might do 5 people, man. Then 2, 1 hour. Then we'll chill, let the car cool off. Then I'll do 2 more and all that. But on another sense, I got some big ride racks coming too. Y'all gonna love these. I got some big ride racks coming for that Camaro. When I get it back, if I get it back tomorrow, Jesse and them get it wrapped up. My next plan, that same day, I'm gonna hit my people up and schedule a dyno appointment for next week. Schedule a dyno appointment for next week. We'll take the car, see how much power it make with the new HURON speed kit, and then it's gonna be a track trip. Cause I better put these radios on here. Let me show y'all these radios. Look at that, turn right there. Look, hey, what you supposed to say? I'm gonna give you a quiz. What you supposed to say when you got somebody, you racing and you beat them by a whole lot? What you say?
Smoke like that.
No, you said it wrong. What you say? You know what to say? What you supposed to say? Train what?
Train smoke.
When you beat somebody by a lot, what is it?
Train smoke.
What is it, Tina?
Train smoke.
They're right. Train smoke everywhere. Just like blow. Hey, we got a train smoke. You get gap, it's train smoke. That's why I put about to be train smoke everywhere when Camaro come back. But I got these right here. Some of y'all probably forgot, or some of y'all probably when they ain't on the channel. Them radios, I'm ready to put them on the car. Brand new. They don't look like it. They don't look like it cause they dusty, but brand new. Them Radio Pros, they ain't no cheap. They're not no cheap tires. Them ain't just regular cheap ET. These are them Radio Pros, man. They're not for the street. They say ET Street on them, but they Radio Pros. They tell you they're not for street use. But them bad boys gonna work. So I'm ready. So hey, that weather good. Track next week too. I plan on toting the tires, going down. So yeah, that's it, man. I mean, but another talking video, but I ain't been able to get y'all daily upload. I'm trying to take it easy. Like I said, I skip a day, and November gonna be jumping. I can say that. November gonna be jumping. It's gonna be a bunch of surprises in November. All I can say. So yep, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow or the day after that. I'm out.